Hey everyone, it's Dustin and Stephanie Wolff, co-founders of Launch Medical, home of the Rocket.
We wanted to personally thank you for pre-ordering your Rocket and for your continued support of Launch Medical. We're super excited to share with you the latest update on our first production shipments of the Rocket. I know that we promised you January, but for reasons we're going to explain in this video, we won't be shipping until February.
Okay guys, that's the bad news. But the reason for the delay is the really good news, and we're very excited to share this with you.
As you know, the Rocket does exactly the same thing as the $40,000 devices used in all professional ED clinics. There's a reason why they're so expensive. They use complex mechanisms to create these sound waves. These sound waves are so powerful that they break up blockages in the blood vessels of the body.
The Rocket produces the identical energy signature found in expensive machines all around the world. Our FDA registration classification is the exact same as the $40,000 machines. Now, as you can imagine, there are huge stresses inside of these devices when you're dealing with such high energy levels.
We are committed to not only providing professional quality treatment with the Rocket, but consistent performance over the lifetime of the device. While testing the Rocket for durability, we found one component that consistently failed first.
It's this, guys. This is the secret to the success of the Rocket. At the heart of our global patents and how we've been able to create such a powerful shockwave at such a reasonable cost. But it's exposed to severe mechanical pounding 15 times per second. We originally made this component out of a special plastic to try to keep the cost down. But we finally concluded that we're going to bite the bullet and invest the extra money to fabricate this piece out of a special oil-impregnated metal alloy to ensure that it lasts much longer than the original component.
And even though it costs a lot more to manufacture, we will not be increasing the price of the Rocket. This improvement is the reason for the delay. We wanted to make sure that we made the Rocket as good as possible.
And rest assured that everything else is completed and ready to go for production. We apologize for the delay and thank you for your patience. But hang in there, guys. The bottom line is, we're going to give you a far more durable product that is going to keep you performing at peak levels for years to come.
Hey Rocket Man, this is Austin. You just saw a video where Dustin and Stephanie explained why we're having a small delay in shipments. It's because we're making big improvements to the Rocket, okay? It's gonna last twice as long. It's gonna be awesome. But it still doesn't make up for the fact that we missed our target shipping date. So to make up for that, we're gonna give you something absolutely free. It's actually worth $300. We're just gonna give that to you for free. What is it? It's a good question. A lot of guys have been asking us, what more can I be doing to optimize my sexual performance? And the answer is optimize your testosterone, because when you change your testosterone, you change your life. What does that do for you? What it's gonna do is it's gonna help you burn fat while you sleep. It's gonna help you pack on more muscle every time you work out, and it's gonna help you finally have the energy to enjoy life and to optimize your sexual performance. So what we've done is me and Stephanie are creating a course called the Perfect Testosterone System. And what it is she's taking her years of optimizing guys' testosterone in her own clinic, and she's going to be teaching that as a home study course so you can do it yourself. And we're gonna actually be recording this live in a webinar style, so you'll have the chance to actually ask Stephanie your own questions and she can answer them right then and there live. So if you can't make the class, you'll still get the recordings, but we're gonna be selling it for $297. So you can get access to that completely free right now by going to perfecttestosteronesystem.com. Or I'm gonna be sending you an email right now with a special link. Just click that link, it'll take you over to the website, and you just type in your email to join the waitlist. So again, if you wanna get access to this $297 course, absolutely free, go to perfecttestosteronesystem.com. I'll see you there, Rocket Man.